Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and opening the developer portal. Enter your bot's application page and validate intents like message content if needed. Once done, make sure your bot meets server thresholds and that OAuth scopes, bot and applications. Commands are configured. Upload a clear 512 by 512 icon and craft concise privacy policy and contact info. These assets streamline review. The how is simple. Assemble evidence of safety and scale. The why is to prove reliability and compliance before you hit submit. Now you fill the verification form carefully. Explain what your bot does, why it needs privileged intents, and how you handle user data. Once done, include screenshots showing moderation, logs, and a working invite link to a populated server. Reviewers want reproducible behavior. Make sure your privacy policy details retention and deletion, mention monitoring and uptime measures. Submit attachments in recommended formats and pause to double-check entries. Mistakes here cause delays because reviewers need trust and clarity. After submission, watch the application status and respond quickly to any reviewer requests. Prompt replies shorten review time. If rejected, read the feedback line by line, correct the specific issues, and include a changelog when you resubmit so reviewers see fixes. Make sure to keep detailed logs and third-party uptime or performance reports handy. These solve most disputes. One troubleshooting tip: if verification stalls, provide step-by-step reproduction and annotated screenshots. This clarifies behavior and speeds approval.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.